We live in a digital age and technology is advancing. That's good news. But on the flip side, it is also bad news, because the more we grow technologically, the more the rate of unemployment is going to increase, because robots are going to replace humans. Now, a job that will take 10 men 10 days to accomplish, that job could take one robot 1 day to accomplish. Now, these robots are going to be doing the jobs that human beings are supposed to be doing. Now, we now have digital banks, because a bank can conveniently satisfy all its customers by working remotely. Now, the era of physical banks, physical structures where you have bank tellers, you have bank managers, customer service agents sitting in one building, that era is gradually fading out. The same thing that emails did to letters from post offices, the same thing that computers did to typewriters, that is what is beginning to happen now. Many countries are going cashless with the advent of cryptocurrencies. So, how can you position yourself in a place where you would remain relevant? Those who were skilled with typewriters, who refused to broaden their horizons and learn how to operate computers, they have become redundant, no longer useful, no longer relevant. So you have to position yourself in a place where you will continue to move with the trend. In this era of robotics and artificial intelligence, learn a new skill. There are several skills that you can learn that would ensure that you will remain relevant in 3 decades to come. The world is moving in the direction of artificial intelligence and robotics. Why don't you learn a robotic skill, an artificial intelligence skill? Why don't you get an IT certification? Look at your industry. Look at where the robots are coming in. Look at the jobs the robots are coming to take. Position yourself in a way where you can install those robots, you can service those robots, you can troubleshoot those robots, you can hack into the robot system, you can become an ethical hacker. Just position yourself in a way you can be relevant to your organization and be useful to yourself. Many jobs that exist today will cease to exist in the next 10 to 20 years. How would those people whose jobs are fading out survive? They need to learn a skill so that they can remain relevant. That's my take on technological advancement, pros and the cons. I remain Victor Isibo, and I'm just your boy. Thank you and goodbye for now.